Hey there! Are you ready for a wild ride through the land of documentation? Yeah, I know it's not exactly the most thrilling topic, but don't worry. Your trusty ChatGPT is here to save the day and make the boring stuff bearable. So, I recently found this old project of mine, a small library that's basically like a data warehouse for all kinds of information. But let's face it, the documentation was, well, non-existent. Time to bring in ChatGPT, the ultimate lifesaver. All right, ChatGPT, let's see what you got. Wow! ChatGPT just turned my vague, rambling explanation into a professional, comprehensive documentation. We've got configuration files, endpoint details, and so much more. Can we get a round of applause for this AI genius? But wait, there's more. Let's see if ChatGPT can help us create some unit tests. Well, it's not perfect, but it's definitely a start. Our dear ChatGPT managed to test one endpoint before hitting a roadblock. But hey, we all need a little break sometimes, right? So there you have it, folks. ChatGPT is not just a party animal, but also a useful companion for all your programming needs. Be sure to check out the project link and ChatGPT-created documentation in the description below. Don't forget to watch this video where I explore even more ChatGPT shenanigans.